Yeah, it's a Saturday morning. Gotta get ready to take this cantaloupe off of my plant because it done busted. Look at that. I thought it wasn't ripe and it done busted. So, what I'm going to do is probably harvest both cantaloupes that's on this side of my garden and call it a day. Whatever else grow, it grow. If it don't make no more blooms within a couple weeks, I will be removing the plants. But yeah, we're gonna cut this one on off too. So, if it's not ripe, it'll ripen up later. I don't want it to bust open. I don't even know why the other one bust open. They say they do that when you overwater them or they get a lot of water. It was a lot of rain last week, but I looked at it a couple days ago with you guys, and it was not like that. But anyway, yeah, that's my little update. So y'all know I'm gonna get ready to harvest this one. Oh, you harvested that one already, or picked that one?
Yeah, it smelled like he was ready. He about to fall off.
Oh, he do smell like a melon, like cantaloupe. Smell good. So that's probably what I'm finna get ready to be eating y'all in a minute. Cantaloupe. Alright y'all. I'll take some pictures to include in the end of the video. Happy gardening. This is the one that was on the outside of the fence. We're gonna cut harvest it today before it gets snatched up. Hi, anybody.
I can do it. Carol, see the cut. So you cut it?
Because they probably cut it up. They probably want to get it.
Suppose strike.
I love you. He say get a pretty angle of his cantaloupe that he done picked off. Look at it. One off. So get to the next one. Want me to hold it or you got it?
Still trying to look. This is still trying to learn stuff as I go.
Oh, trying to see if it's extra brown or not.
Yeah, trying to go.
On that watermelon it was.
Okay,
I don't know if it goes the same for cantaloupe. Everybody.
I'm going for that cantaloupe. I'm just trying to see the difference. That's all.
Oh, okay.
You know me, I don't do that. I'm gonna cut my shit. I'm trying to cut them.
All right. They go to the next one. So he cut a good bit of the plant to because we're not cutting it today. So he letting the cantaloupe suck all the nutrients from the stem. And that's the reason why he got so much of the leaf off.
It'll help preserving it. We ain't eating no time soon right now. So it's basically gonna still be growing.
On to the sugar baby. Okay, don't you want to grab a watermelon? Okay. Don't you want to hold one? Well, that's the cantaloupe, but
What's the melon called?
that's the cantaloupe melon.
That's a cantaloupe.
Melon, but yeah.
I can
All right, here go the sugar baby. It's tender woods brown, but that's it for the watermelon harvest. We got 3.
I'm to be strong. So I can.
Homegrown cantaloupe, just harvested and cut off. We finally got one ready. Look at that. It's small, but it's ready. Small, but tastes yummy. Can't wait to eat it.